Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever craved those amazing, savory Oriental-style noodles? Well, today you're in luck. We're making a truly delicious version, right in your own kitchen, and it comes together so quickly. This dish is surprisingly simple, super versatile, and perfect for a speedy weeknight dinner. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic, flavorful meal. First things first, gather your star ingredients. We'll need a good quality noodle, perhaps lo mein or ramen, and plenty of colorful vegetables. Think crisp bell peppers, crunchy carrots, or vibrant snap peas, all thinly sliced. Then pick your protein, maybe some chicken or tofu, and have your favorite Oriental sauce ready. Proper prep makes cooking a breeze. Now let's get those noodles cooking perfectly. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, then add your noodles, following the package instructions carefully. You want them to be al dente, meaning tender yet still having a slight chew, not at all mushy. Once cooked, drain them immediately and give them a quick rinse under cold water. This stops the cooking and keeps them from sticking. Time for the magic, the stir-fry. Heat a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat with a touch of oil. Add your protein first, stir-frying until it's nearly cooked, then toss in your prepared vegetables. Cook them for just a few minutes until they are tender crisp and still vibrant. Finally, add your cooked noodles and that amazing sauce. Toss it all gently, ensuring every strand is coated in deliciousness. And there you have it, your incredible Oriental-style noodles are ready. Serve them up right away, hot off the wok for the best flavor and texture. Feel free to garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, some fresh chopped green onions, or even a dash of chili oil for a bit of extra kick. Take a moment to savor your delicious, homemade meal. You've truly created something wonderful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.